First, you need to open the Kinko M-IoT platform and log into your account. We have a document to show you if you don't know how to connect your software to the M-IoT platform. After logging in, you can create a new device on the M-IoT platform. Find the Develop, click Model, and add your device. Enter your name, HMI model, and modules. Next, you can create a new project in the DTools software and manage the basic M-IoT settings by naming your project and selecting your HMI model. Now, select the HMI Edit window and click the M-IoT under the IoT section. Enable M-IoT, and a window where you are required to enter the password will pop up. You can find your password at the M-IoT portal. Go to your profile and view the MQTT connection information, copy the password and organization, and paste. Also fill out your account name and password. Select your HMI model here, and the model key will automatically filled. Now, create the template and go to the topic settings. The boot topic and mock no parameter under this topic must exist. To transfer HMI data to the cloud, you need to set up the sync topic and add 2 parameters under this topic. Now, to transfer the cloud data to the HMI, go to the topic subscription and manage the environment parameter. The parameters on the list, as you can see, are required by the system when writing the data. Samely, you need to add 2 parameters under. Back to the topic publish, and manage the mock topic. The original parameters are required by the system. And you need to add the same parameters as you added on the user data of the topic subscription. and then manage the CONF topic. On the basic setting, you need to make sure the parameters are the same as the RID and CMD parameters you set on the topic subscription. As for the send mode, the parameter should also align with the REQ parameter on the topic subscription. Click the Cloud Sync to synchronize the parameters to the M-IoT platform. To make it more straightforward, I am now adding the elements of transferring the HMI data to the cloud and transferring cloud data to HMI. Open the M-IoT portal and go to the Model app. Find the device monitoring configuration. To transfer HMI data to the cloud, you need to add parameters to be monitored. Switch to the user interface and you will see the dashboard. You can now monitor the parameters. Open the VNC viewer and enter the address. To transfer cloud data to the HMI, go to Device and Manage. Configure the parameters to be written by adding them on the list. Enter the number. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact sales@kinko.cn.